I've got 20 satellites, I've got full power on the battery, I'm in normal mode, and we do a hand launch, check complete, and we're taking off, and off we go. What we're doing here today is taking 48K pictures of the top end of St. Louis. So that was quite nice. I'm gonna stop recording video and I'm gonna go into stills pictures. I'm looking for photo, so I'm clicking on photo and I want 48 megapixel image, which will take me to a 4:3 image. And now I'm going to take some pictures. I'm just going to change the horizon. I'm going to go forward a bit, forward and down. That's about right there. Just spin it around a little bit. So we've got the La Mata Lake there in the distance, and let's take that picture. There we are, that's that picture done. And I'm just going to spin around the other way. Let's see if we've got another picture. Just lessen the horizon there, and we'll take that one there. So now I am going to go towards San Luis. There's the oasis there in the middle. I want to get La Mata Lake just at the top of frame there. There we are, get a little bit more. We've got the horizon now and the sea. So that's a lovely picture. Just go a little bit to the right. That's it, just stop it there. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go up a little bit to the maximum altitude of 120 metres. There we are, that's as far as I can go. Flying sideways now to get another angle from here. So I'm going to turn that round there. There's another, we're on 48 megapixel still. That's a nice shot there. All these images and more are available to view on our website www.betweenthelakes.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description below. Here we are, once again, at O'Connor's by the sea, and it's on the Acequion beach in Torrevieja. Our nearest beach to when we come down to the seaside, we like to come to this beach, don't we? It's a lovely beach.
Yeah, and it's got an amazing view from this big window.
As you can see, look at that, it's amazing. And the sea's that beautiful, what do you call it, turquoise colour?
Yeah.
Fantastic. We're looking over the salt pier. It's where all the salt is distributed. Comes down on conveyor belts. We did a video previously about this. I'll put a link to it just here. But all the salt comes down from the Pink Lake, and it comes down this jetty thing here on conveyor belts and ends up right at the end of the pier there, and it goes on the ships. And they sail off to Scotland to grit the roads.
Yeah, with their ice and
That's
snow.
what they do. We've had a lovely fish and chips here at O'Connor's. Fantastic fish and chips. Big massive fish.
Huge it was.
Huge. Lovely chips as well, nice homemade chips. And all for €8 for the meal. Very, very good. Excellent value to say. You've got a view like this, and you can have a meal like that for €8. And great value. Nice pint as well. A nice pint of Amstel. So
I'm
yeah.
still standing.
Well, we've only had a pint and a half, haven't
I'm
we?
still standing.
Elton John said that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. What about the earthquake this morning?
Yeah, we had an earthquake this morning.
We had quite a few, I think. But when you're like us and you're not used to them, and the old house shakes for 3 seconds.
And when you're in bed and
Yeah.
your bed shakes.
But yeah, I were up already watching telly, and yeah, just had this amazing.
I heard the rumble.
Did you?
And then the shaking of the bed
Yeah.
after. It made me jump out of bed, that's for sure.
Yeah, you jumped out, come out of the bedroom, I watching telly. The house moved. And we spoke to a guy this morning, didn't know nothing about it, did he?
Yeah.
Just like he slept all the way through it. I think most people did actually. 20 past 8 it happened, didn't it? 18 minutes
18
past
minutes
8.
past 8. It was 2.6.
2.6 on the Richter scale. Very, very minor earthquake, but certainly tangible, you could feel it.
But you think, what's going to come next?
Is that a minor tremor for the main event?
The sea is really warm.
Yeah, we'll have a look down there before we go. We've got our chairs. We might go and sit on the beach.
Yeah. Another paddle.
The splodge.
The splodge.
Again for a splodge.
Have another splodge. Lots of fish in the sea down there.
Yeah, little fish. Yeah, it's a very, very clean sea. It's very shallow. Great for kids. A great family beach. Even little toddlers can feel safe in that. It's lovely. We were here before we went in O'Connor's, and now we've come back because it's so nice. The only thing is, if you look behind us, you will see there are storm clouds approaching.
Ooh. It did say after 5 o'clock that it might be raining.
Yeah.
More chance of rain.
Yeah, but are we worried?
No?
No, we've had an earthquake this morning. Why should we be worried about anything? Did you check the cracks in the house?
Couldn't see any.
I couldn't see any either. They made some plumbing lost them houses, you know.
Yeah.
And we've got earthquake insurance as well, so pensioner now, you know.
Don't we know it?
Blooming heck,
Yeah.
you know, I've got a bus pass.
Don't we know it? Yeah.
Bus pass and everything. So anyway, we're enjoying the sunshine for as long as it lasts until those storm clouds gather.
Yeah, they are actually coming over, aren't they?
Coming over. If you look at the back, look at them. Look at them. Look at that.
Yeah.
at
And
them.
you can see, the sun is going to start getting covered up.
Yeah, it is.
So I don't think we'll be here for long.
No, there's a big blanket of blackness just about to cover the sun up. I reckon there's another half an hour. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios. Oh, we've doing that in every week now. Right, it's all about getting home now before the rain,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
It's only about 15-20 minutes back to our house from the beach on the bikes, if that really. So looks like we're going to make it home.
It's looking black on the right.
Yeah, very black on the right. I think
Brighter on the left.
we'll see some lightning tonight. Oh, it looks grim, doesn't it? It's grim up north.
Oh, I think I just saw some lightning right in front of you.
Really? Oh, we've started, have we? Boom, bang, a bang, boom, bang, a bang, dee, 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 dee.
You got your power on.
Of course I bloody have.
You see the rain in front?
Yeah, we're going to get that, aren't we?
Are we going to get wet?
Yeah.